Hello and welcome back to your TA Dissection channel. Today we'll be dissecting a fetal pig to get a better look at the anatomy of its internal organs. Although this is a fetal pig that would have been receiving nutrients from the dam by the umbilicus, we're going to take a look at the digestive tract organs by tracing the path ingested materials would take through the body. You can see that I've already opened the thoracic and abdominal cavities, and I've also resected the tissues that cover the internal structures of the neck so we can easily spot the trachea. We can look just dorsal and to the left of the trachea to find a much smoother tube called the esophagus. The esophagus carries ingested materials from the mouth to the stomach, passing through the diaphragm on its way. Here I am lifting the smooth gray liver so we can see the stomach. The stomach lies on the left side of the body and empties its contents into the small intestine, which is made of the duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. Digestive then flows from the small intestine into the cecum, this dark green mass, and then through the large intestine, eventually exiting the body through the anus. Though it can be hard to see in the video, you should note that the cecum and large intestine of the fetal pig is smaller when compared to many other specimens we've dissected because they're omnivores. They don't require as much hindgut fermentation as an herbivore. We can head back up to the liver, which is nestled right under the diaphragm, lift up some of the right lobes, and see here tucked in the gallbladder. And that concludes our digestive structures of interest. But while you're still here, let's take a look at a few other organs of interest, such as the heart, surrounded by the lungs, which are connected to the trachea. And then if we pull our intestines back here, we see encapsulated a kidney, and just under the stomach here is the spleen. That's it. And as always, thanks for watching.